Welcome to InterConnecta Academy, your channel to learn and master Zoho. Before uploading items, we ensure that inventory tracking is activated. For that, we go to Settings, Items, Navan General, check the option Enable Inventory Tracking and save the changes. This allows Zoho Books to automatically record the inflow and outflow of stock as we create purchase or sales invoices. Now we load a new item with inventory tracking. We will obviously complete all these fields. And towards the end, we check the option for inventory tracking for this item. And we select the accounting account that records the inventory, which by default is inventory asset. We choose the location, which is the warehouse or branch, where we will have this product. The opening stock, that is how many units we already have, physically available at the start, and the initial value per unit, which is the cost per unit of this stock. Zoho uses this to calculate the total inventory value and the cost of sales. So once we complete all this data, we save the changes. When we enter an item, we will see different stock values. We have the accounting stock, which is the amount the system says we should have according to our purchases, sales, or adjustments. So it is the accounting value of the stock. Physical stock. This is what we actually have in the warehouse. It is determined by a physical count, so it may differ from the accounting stock due to errors, losses, or delays in recording movements. The stock on hand is the total amount we currently have in the warehouse, so it does not consider if it is already reserved for an avenue. Committed are the units already reserved for sales orders, but that have not yet been dispatched, so they are not available for new sales and available for sale. This is what we actually have available to sell. It is the result of subtracting the uncommitted stock from the stock on hand. Let's look at an example to understand how the stock is updated. We load item A with an initial stock of 30 units. If we sell 10 units and generate the invoice or a shipment, if enabled, the stock will decrease to 20 units. If we purchase 20 more units and create a purchase invoice or record the receipt of the product, if we enable that function, the stock will increase to 50 units. So Zoho Books updates all of this automatically based on billing. Finally, for efficient tracking, I recommend conducting periodic physical counts to ensure that the physical stock matches the accounting records. Keep inventory locations updated if you have more than one warehouse. And use inventory reports to make decisions about purchases or low stock alerts. And that's all. With these concepts, you can now efficiently manage your inventory in Zoho Books. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.